Sarah's Corner!
Hi, friends! Today, we are going to read words together. Are you ready? Let's go! These words end with it. Say it with me. It. It. Sit. Can you say sit? Great job!
It. Hit. Hit. It. Kit. Kit. Great reading! These words end with ig. Say ig. Ig. Pig. Pig. Can you say pig? Ig. Wig. Wig. Ig. Dig. Dig. These words end with in. Say in. In. Pin. Can you say pin? In. Win. Win. In. Bin. Say bin. Great reading! Now let's say our words one more time. Sit. Pig. Pin. You did amazing! You are learning to read. Bye, friends!